will beat you like a child that you are. Not be my hand, you go die. Self, I not. Are you stupid? I go forget say you be my mama mate now. I go shut you. I go show you say woman pass man.
You wanted to hit me with this tuke.
How can you call that his car tuke? Have you seen that car?
Now me they speak English for. Lagos girl like me. Well,
shut your hole, and you are here to embarrass me.
And you are here speaking English. Woto, you go collect. You won't collect person's right. This cannot be. You brought someone who does not have respect for elders.
Come on, stop it.
Very soon. Only me. I'll deal with you. I'll deal with you. You want the woman? Come.
Don't drive it. Don't drive it.
You are supposed to be in secondary school, but you're here following somebody that is old enough to be your father. Very soon they could start. Get up. You needed to see the way this girl is something.
it was not intentional, man. You know, sometimes my dad is scatter. I know the normal sometimes. So that particular day was not normal.
She cannot be your wife.
I've taken my medicine. I've gotten a cure. I'm not normal.